Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Art in Hands. Today I am going to make beautiful pencil stand with pistachio. First of all, I am taking this broken plastic mug. Then we need some pistachio and then we are going to apply glue on the pistachio and then we are going to put pistachio on the mug. After putting all the pistachio, we are going to paint it with spray paint. I am taking silver color, but you can take any color. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel Art in Hands. After doing all of these steps, the beautiful pistachio home decor is ready. Thanks for watching.